Good afternoon, dear students. In today's lecture, I'll be discussing just the introduction to your subject, that is Environmental Engineering second. This is the second part to the subject which you have studied in fifth semester, that is Environmental Engineering first. In the first part, you just studied about the water, its different characteristics and its treatment, and how do we transfer it to the various consumers. Now, in this semester, you will be studying the same things about the sewage, right? Means जो भी water हम use कर लेते हैं and after its use it is converted into different type of sewages. So how do we treat that sewage and how do we dispose that sewage? That particular study will be studying during this semester in this subject. First, let us discuss the course structure of the subject. So some of the broad areas which are covered in this subject are sewage and its different types. Then designing of a proper sewer system means how do we design a sewer system that is used to carry the sewage. Then the treatment of sewage and its safe disposal. Now you must know that before disposing the sewage to a water body, मतलब जो भी सीवेज है हम आपको पता होगा वो जनरली वाटर बॉडी यानी कि रिवर में हम डिस्पोज करते हैं. बट बिफोर डिस्पोजिंग इट टू द रिवर वाटर बॉडी we need to treat it because it contains different toxic chemicals which might be injurious to the aquatic animals as well as it might create pollution, right? So we need to treat the sewage. So we'll be studying this topic also. Then we'll be studying about the self purification of surface water bodies. Means जो आपकी surface water bodies हैं such as river, they have a ability of self purifying them. We'll be discussing that also. And then at last we'll be studying about the disposal of municipal solid waste. Means all the solid waste which is generated through various our household activities. How do we dispose that sewage? Where do we dispose it? That we will also be studying, right? Now let us discuss the scope of the subject. So as I told you in the previous semester that this subject is considered as one of the most important subjects in civil engineering with regards to different competitive exams, especially GATE examination. You all must be knowing that GATE examination is given every year by different students in order to get admissions into MTech program to IITs and NITs, right? So GATE examination, which is an exam of just 100 marks, उसमें आपके on an average every year 10 to 15 marks questions are from this subject only. So subject containing questions of 10 to 15 marks is a huge weightage, right? So every year around questions are being asked from this subject. Also, various questions are asked in various examinations from these subjects like ASE, that is Engineering Services, SSC JE, RRB means Railway एग्जाम्स एंड वेरियस स्टेट इंजीनियरिंग एग्जाम्स. तो सभी एग्जाम्स में डिफरेंट एग्जाम्स में आपके सब्जेक्ट से बहुत से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं एंड इट इज़ वन ऑफ द इजी सब्जेक्ट एंड मार्क्स स्कोरिंग सब्जेक्ट. सो दिस इज बेसिकली द स्कोप ऑफ दिस सब्जेक्ट. You can see the analysis of previous year's GATE papers 1991 से लेके 2019 तक का डेटा. You can see that each year on an average 10 to 15 marks questions are being asked from this subject. In 2019 also 10 marks question were asked. In 2018 also total 11 marks question were asked. So you can see the importance of this subject through this data sheet, right? Now let us discuss the syllabus of the subject in short. So this is your first unit. In the first unit, you will be just discussing the introduction of sewage, that what is the sewage, how it is generated, what are sources, and how then we plan a basic system in order to carry that sewage, and what are the different characteristics of sewage, right? So this we'll be discussing in your unit first. Then will be our unit second, in which we'll be discussing about the designing of sewer system. Sewers are basically large sized pipes which are used to carry the sewage from our houses to its point of treatment and then finally to the disposal body. So how do we design that system, and what are the different types of pumps we use in sewage system? Then how do we join the various pipes in the sewage system? This all we will be studying in unit second. Then comes the third unit. In the third unit, this is an important unit. In this unit, we'll be studying about the primary treatment of sewage. So basically, as in the last semester, you have studied about the treatment of water. So which is just a process that consists of various different stages like screening, sedimentation and all, etc. But what happens? The treatment of sewage is a slightly complicated process as compared to water. So that is why its treatment is divided into two parts. The first one is primary treatment, right? In the unit third, and not only two parts, basically it is divided into three parts: primary treatment, secondary treatment, and tertiary treatment. So in the unit third, we'll be discussing about the primary treatment of sewage. Then we'll be studying about the unit fourth. In unit fourth, we'll be studying about the secondary treatment of sewage. Like I told you, the treatment of sewage basically consists of three stages: primary treatment, secondary treatment, and tertiary treatment. So in the unit fourth, we'll be discussing about the secondary treatment of sewage. And in this unit, one of the most important topic is your activated sludge process and trickling filter, which are the various units which are used in secondary treatment. So this will be your unit fourth. Then comes the last unit, which is unit fifth. In unit fifth, we'll be studying about the disposal of sewage. Means after treating the sewage, जब हम सीवेज को ट्रीट कर लेते हैं, we need to dispose it into certain या तो river bodies या तो land में. So how do we dispose that sewage? That we'll be discussing in unit fifth. Then also we'll be discussing about the self purification of surface water bodies. Means ये जो रिवर है जिसमें कि हम इतना सारा सीवेज डिस्पोज करते हैं, सो इसमें एक एबिलिटी होती है इन ऑर्डर टू सेल्फ प्योरीफाई इट. सो वो कैपेबिलिटी कैसे आती है, विच आर द फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग दैट प्रॉपर्टी, दैट विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन दिस unit fifth. Then at last in the unit fifth, we'll be also studying about the solid waste. Solid waste means जो भी आपका वेस्ट है जो कि हाउस होल्ड एक्टिविटीज से जनरेट होता है, उसको हम हाउस होल्ड से, जब आपने देखा होगा एक आपके वेस्ट को उठाने के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर गाड़ी या आप कहीं पे भी उसे डिस्पोज करते हैं, फाइनली वो वेस्ट कहाँ पे डिस्पोज होता है और किन तरीकों से डिस्पोज होता है, दैट इज म्यूनिसिपल सॉलिड वेस्ट डिस्पोजल. That all we'll be studying in this unit fifth. So basically this will be the syllabus of your subject. Now at last, the textbook which you must be referring is the first one is S.K. Garg Environmental Engineering Volume 2. जो फिफ्थ सेमेस्टर में आपने वॉल्यूम 1 उसका रेफर किया था, उसी का एस के गर्ग का एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग वॉल्यूम 2. दैट वुड बी आई थिंक बेसिकली बाय द नेम वेस्ट वाटर सप्लाई इंजीनियरिंग. तो एक तो ये बुक हो गई. सेकंड वुड बी योर बीसी पुनिया, दैट इज ऑल्सो एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग वॉल्यूम 2, राइट? सो दीज विल बी द बेसिकली द टेक्स्ट बुक्स which you will be referring. These are sufficient. So that's all for today's lecture. The main topics of unit first will be starting tomorrow. Thank you.